Patil here, and you're watching StockChannel.in. You can follow my YouTube videos, which I keep on posting whenever I create a video into this Telegram channel. On 3rd March 2017, I booked 2,000 rupees of profits in this particular account in a stock called as Cupid. So now my short-term gross profits have shot up to 14,512 for the month of March. 1,200 rupees in intraday. So overall, still I'm up for like 16,500 rupees for the month. I'm sitting a pretty huge amount in cash because personally I think the Nifty looks like a little bit topish or it's going to form some new pattern. I'm not sure, but this is what it's looking like at my end. Okay, this is all real stuff, it's not fake. So I'm just highlighting stuff for you guys. All right. So in this session, I'm going to talk about this post, which Nilesh Shah is one of the leading fund managers at Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. He has posted this tweet. I think it's a long time back, and this on March 1st, and this actually is circulating today in a lot of WhatsApp groups and etc. I got a ping personally on this particular tweet. So I just wanted. I was looking at this particular tweet about like a person who had invested like 9,500 rupees to buy 100 shares of Infosys in 1994. So let's take a round figure of 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees would have converted into a round figure of 5 crore rupees at a 53% CAGR, okay, for the past 20 years. But the question really, guys and girls, I have a very huge question about like how many actual people bought this share for 100 rupees, sorry, for 9,500 rupees, 95 rupees per share. How many people really bought this, and how many people hold on this share for such a huge amount of time? Except for the promoters, I don't think so. They would be, they could be just, even if there could be investors that could be just on numbers, on fingertips. Okay, it's not that they won't be investors, because I can just tell from my personal experience, like my grandfather passed on me some of my Reliance shares to me, which he had bought in like 1980s. So it's not that it's not possible, but when you look at an IT company or something like that of this sorts in 1994, or for them any company like Reliance also for that matter, how many people are really holding the shares from 1990? Unless they completely forgotten, like my grandfather completely forgotten, and now I have inherited that shares. So that otherwise there won't be any kind of a chance of this kind of thing happening in anyone's life, or there could be minimalistic chance of this kind of thing happening. Okay, because how many of us at this moment can tell this company could be the next Infosys, or this company could be the next Reliance, or this company could be the next any bigger Page Industries or any of those kind of companies? Very few of us. Even if we tell it, what are our holding spans? We will hold it for what? 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 3 years, 4 years. That's it. Not beyond that. So actually, this may look beautifully when it comes to drawing on a graph that wow, 10,000 rupees is converted into 4.5 CR, but actually only the promoters are the one who would be actually benefiting such humongously. But we as public investors or retail investors, definitely we won't be holding this no matter what you tell me, unless you just wish to buy it and hold it and pass it into your next generation. Okay, for example, if you buy a BSC IPO, BSC right now, the stock at our current price, and maybe down the line, if the stock, if it really does good, maybe that could turn into a ridiculous sum also. Okay, so the point I want to make through this is this could be a one-off thing. Okay, this could be a one-off thing. This could be one-off stock in your portfolio, because I've recently heard about the interview about a person who actually bought MRF at like 45, 50 rupees and is still holding that person. I saw that interview on a Z Business channel. The person was holding that MRF stock since, which was at the since at the price of 40s or 50s, and now the MRF stock is roughly in the 40,000 rupees mark. Okay, so that could be very, very rare kind of scenarios. But we as traders or we as investors, it really doesn't matter if you're looking for that one particular stock, because now look at this number. This is a very interesting number specifically for traders. For a trader or an average trader who is being consistently profitable can average at 30 to 50% CAGR, all right, compounded annualized growth. They can easily do a 30 to 50% CAGR if they are doing with proper discipline and with the methods whatever they are following. So in other words, if a trader who is trading stuff, swing trading, especially I'm talking about swing trading, not about intraday, not about future and options, because this is absolutely not possible in swing trading or future. Oh, sorry, it's absolutely not possible in intraday trading, creating such amount of wealth, okay, or if and also. So as so so coming back to swing trading. So in swing trading, if a swing trader or a positional trader, if the person is caggering at 50%, okay, 50%, still if you invest 10,000 rupees right now into the market, into a trading account or swing trading account, within 20 years it can turn into a 5 crore amount, okay. And statistically that is more possible than you finding that one particular Infosys. Absolutely, I'm saying it's possible. It just, are you gonna convert yourself into a disciplined trader? Are you gonna have the right kind of knowledge? Are you gonna focus on the things which really work? Are you gonna not gonna withdraw the money out of your trading account? Are you really gonna allow that account to compound? If you do so, then definitely this mark, even you can do this by trading for the next 20 years. And when I say swing trading, it's just like 30-40 trades per year also can give you a 50% returns. And that's what I'm sharing in my account. Personally, I was able to do like 30% in one of my accounts and 27% in other accounts, which is very well diversified accounts where I hold like 20 stocks in a trading portfolio. That is the kind of diversification which I work on with. But those kind of gains are also beautiful gains. When the market has just gone up like 15-16%, and if you're beating the markets twice by 30 to 40%, and people might laugh like 30 to 40%, I just make it within an FNO trade, like within like 5 minutes I make 1000%. But boss, on the bigger amount, that's absolutely not possible. You need to work on in a strategy, money management strategy, which is scalable, which is compoundable, and which can meet your, where you can sleep properly every night, and where the money would not go to zero. Okay, in future and options the money can go to zero. If you're buying options, absolutely your money can go to zero. If you're trading in futures with leverage, absolutely your money can go to zero. But if you're trading systematically in a swing trading or a positional format, over a period of years, this compound, even 10,000 rupees can swell to 5 crore rupees. Again, I'm saying statistically it is possible. You do not need to find Infosys. You just need to understand which are the trades you take for those 10-20% kind of trades, the kind of trades which I take. All right. So if you really guys are interested the way I do it, and if you wish to really understand what kind of trading I do, all this keep see. That's why I'm keeping on posting this live PNL stuff, so you guys will get inspired. My upcoming batch of Menti program is just 2 days away. Most of you, if you're watching this video for the first time, then maybe you may not be able to join this March batch, but definitely the April batch is going to start on 2nd of April. That definitely you guys can join. Okay, so I will teach you exactly how to do swing trading. I will teach you exactly how to do the multi-bagger trading. So within a short period of time, we can make those 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100% returns. So we can compound our account at 50% CAGR. So even a simple 10,000 rupees putting in your trading account right now can convert into a ridiculous sum of how much? 5 crores. 5 crores. You do not, statistically, again, I'm saying statistically is absolutely minimalistic statistics that you could find in Infosys and you would hold on for such amount of time. But over here, statistically it is possible, which I am trying to showcase everybody live via my PNL, that it is possible to CAGR at a certain percentage. And if you CAGR at a certain percentage, your account is gonna swell with the help of compounding, the eighth wonder of the world, like Einstein told. All right. So again, if any of you guys are watching my channel for the first time, make sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. There's a subscription button up here on the left hand side. And if you wish to join my Menti program, make sure you're watching all the videos which are appearing on the right hand side, top right hand side. So if you love what you're seeing on the channel, then definitely come and join. All right. The upcoming batch is on 5th of March. The next batch after 5th of March starting on 2nd of April. Enroll right now itself, guys and girls, because you would get that much amount of time to go through my private video library, because as soon as you make those payments to me, I would give you instant access to my private video library content. So you are getting well revised with the content which you are looking forwards. And so before the actual batch starts also on 2nd of April, you can actually make, you'll understand what I'm about to teach in this program. All right. So subscribe and make sure you watch all these videos. Have a good day. Bye-bye.